Do you own a car or motorbike? How about a boat or a jet ski? Or even a caravan? The answer is probably yes. Today, we all own one or more of these, which means they all need to be maintained and serviced regularly. Introducing 5IQ. 5IQ workshop software connects all parties to your workshop through its intelligent platform, making this an automated end-to-end solution for your business. At 5IQ, we've built apps for your customer, for your technician, and your workshop to increase efficiency and automation at every touch point by using innovation through the power of cloud technology. It's more important now than ever before to connect your customer to your workshop in real time. Yes, live access 24/7, anytime, anywhere. Katie is a busy mum enjoying a little me time at the salon. She receives a reminder via the 5IQ customer app that her car is due for a service. She simply selects a date, service type, and done. Katie's local mechanic, Ben, is running his business on 5IQ's app, knowing his team have the best tools to complete the job, from booking, in the workshop, through to invoicing and everything in between. Receiving bookings day or night means Ben can spend his time on the most important part of his business, his customers. While in the workshop, Roger is servicing Katie's car. He sends Katie the inspection report, including photos and videos with items that need replacing urgently via the app. Katie reviews and approves in real time, which allows Roger to complete the service and get Katie safely back on the road without delay. With so many more features to explore, 5IQ delivers the innovation that drives efficiency and success in your business. At 5IQ, we aren't just building software, we're creating an ecosystem where communities can thrive and drive workshop technology into the future. 5IQ. We bring the technology, you bring the drive.